I'm going to show you how to change your player size in Minecraft, both making your character smaller and bigger. Just a quick reminder, this method works in Minecraft Java Edition. After joining your world, simply open the chat and type /attribute@s Minecraft:scale base set. Then place the number with the size you want for your player. Remember that 1 is the default size. You can either decrease or increase your character scale. For example, setting it to 0.1 will make your player extremely small. On the other hand, using 5 will make your character much bigger. You can even go up to 100, which, from what I tested, seems to be the maximum size you can reach in Minecraft. If you want to go tiny, 0.01 appears to be the smallest possible value. Things start to look pretty strange when you're that small or that huge, but it's definitely worth trying. You can even turn this into a fun gameplay idea, like playing as an ant or becoming a giant in Minecraft. It's super interesting and honestly really fun to experiment with.